Namaste. Welcome and good evening to one and all. Namaste. Welcome and good evening to one and all. We are extremely sorry for this delay, and because we had these technical issues. I hope everyone does this webinar and everyone knows about this, and we are extremely sorry once again for that. Sarjan Shrushti, dance creation in Gujarat. Classical dance is a very vibrant part of Gujarat from antiquity. In the recent past, Bharatnatyam came to Baroda in 1886 and soon Kathak followed. Since then, till now, Gujarat and Gujaratis have adopted these styles like fish to water. The contribution of Gujaratis to preservation, propagation, and development is recognized and valued. Here is our very first season where we bring a few institutions and individuals who have done production work. This webinar showcases the dance production works by the Gujarati dancers of Gujarat of Bharatnatyam and Kathak style. This webinar is hosted by the International Alumni Cell of the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda in collaboration with the JG School of Performing Arts, Ahmedabad, ICCR Regional Center, Ahmedabad, and Anjali Memorial Committee, Vadodara. Our patron is Professor Parimal Vyas, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda. We are blessed by Shri Pankaj Bhatt, Chairman Gujarat State Sangeet Natak Academy, Srimati Kumudini Lakhya, Padma Vibhushan, Founder Director Kadam, Ahmedabad, Dr. Mallika Sarabhai, Padma Vibhushan, Director Darpana, Ahmedabad, Dr. Jigar Inamdar, Regional Director ICCR, Member of MSU Syndicate, Dr. S.D. Desai, Author and Critic, and Dr. Sanskruti Majmundar, Director International Alumni Cell, MSU. Concept and visualization of these 5 days webinar by Professor Dr. Parul Shah and Shri Bijoy Shivram, Assistant Dr. Divya Patel, Dr. Pramod Chavan, Comparing Dr. Ami Pandya, Beena Joshi, Technical Term Communication Cell, MSU. For this webinar, we would welcome questions, comments, and appreciation. So please feel free to write on the FB page. I now invite Shri Bijoy Shivram. I welcome our own Professor Parimal Vyas Sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor of the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda, to bless us. Sir, we will be very happy to have you here with us, and sorry for this great delay. Extremely sorry for this technical delay. And we all are very happy, and we will have the pleasure of listening to the opening remarks. So thank you very much, sir.
Namaskar. I hope I'm audible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think my greetings to all of you for, an endeavor under the lockdown. In fact, now I believe we would be unlocked totally, maybe in another couple of days. Let us pray God, and we're getting some positive news, for our country and for our state. Sarjan Srushti, you should not worry, because I was waiting for, the event to kickstart at 5 o'clock. I was feeling apologetic because I had certain other commitment till 5:30. But then I'm very happy that whenever you experiment, and especially a group of artists, when they want to experiment, it is always very difficult. And we are used to, when we look at live performances, group of people, we find them and they try to do lot of adjustment so that the performance can go on. So no need to apologize. I think this is the first day, part and parcel, and technical glitches will come. On your behalf, I would request all the attendees who are going to be with you for this long event from which will start today and will end on 28th. Experts are there. I was looking at the the details about the performances. They are all known nationally and globally. And my greetings to the entire team of Surgeon Srushti, which is now supported, as I know it. This is conceptualized by our own Professor Parul Shah, where she is known globally for her contribution in the dance and supported by Bijoy Sevramji. I also appreciate the support that you have received from Dr. Jigar Inamdar. He is also our own family member. In fact, MSU is in a big way is participating in terms of performances that you're going to have. And Dr. Sanskruti is also with here. She has also joined us. The Office of Alumni Affairs and Donor Relationships. They are also part of this event. My greetings to them. Jigar Bhai is also participating in this event as the regional director of ICCR. A special mention becomes very important for him because now Honorable Prime Minister is talking about internationalization of higher education in a true sense, where the role of ICCR is going to change, and we are lucky to have him as a regional director, who is a pride for the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda. I'm also aware of the contribution in the field of performing arts from JG College of Performing Arts. And when we talk of Baroda being a Kala Nagri, Shikshan Nagri, and a Sanskruti Anjali Memorial Committee, I know the activities which are conducted by the Anjali Memorial Committee. Several activities we have seen the participation, and I'm very happy to know that this event has got blessings of the chairman of the Gujarat State Sangeet Natak Academy, none other than Pankaj Bhattji, uh, ably supported by two Padma Vibhushan. They are known globally. The reference was given by the anchor Srimati Kumudini ji and Mallika Sarabhai. And yes, Dr. Desai is very much with us. I can see an author known to all of us. So I'm not. Maybe this is not my cup of tea, but I believe some understanding which I have is that I belong to discipline of humanities and social sciences. And after the independence for the first time, this is not to exaggerate, but I'm very happy to share this with you that in the National Education Policy 2020, for the first time, we have started to talk about liberal arts. I think we were talking about science and technology all the while, but the real contribution when we talk about Bharat, Indian ancient traditions, knowledge, the treasure that we have, be it language, we're talking about multidisciplinarity, and my colleagues from Faculty of Fine Arts and Performing Arts, I'm very happy to share with you is that now from the current academic year, we will have to offer an option to the students. I think we are now moving towards a student centric education. Sometimes with a very very light sense of humor, I was used to say that we will not change the syllabus because we are not ready to change, or we don't want to update ourselves. Now I think we have 14 faculties, but then student would be able to decide the course that he or she would like to go. Maybe he or she may go for a music or dance, or may go to learn some painting or museology. So under the circumstances, I believe these kind of experiments which are happening, I joined and I looked at twice, but then I could make out that yes, there are some technical difficulties. So I thought, let me finish it off. I requested our own Professor Parul Shah that please accommodate me initially, because I got some other commitment which will happen at around 7 o'clock. So my greetings to all the artists, and the participants and all those attendees. I would request, that two big institutions, the university, our own in itself, and JG College of Arts, which is also known for its contribution in the performing arts. These two institutions supported with, I'll tell you, an entrepreneurial initiatives of some of the artists of Gujarat to promote Bharatnatyam and Kathak. I think it's our responsibility to see that we preserve these. And not only that, we also now put our efforts to not only provide an opportunity, but to sensitize all those students. I'm very happy to share with you that there is an overwhelming response to admissions, registrations to MSU. All those students who enter, they now we should reach to we should reach to them, and we should try to make them understand that it is not just your credit now, because we'll stop talking about marks and percentages under the new policy. We'll be talking about credits. I think that is again a really very interesting phenomenon. We are going to have academic credit bank of each and every student, and I am of the personal opinion that anything and everything that student will engage into, not just academic or co-curricular or extracurricular, it is our responsibility to ensure that student can live to his or her passion. And I believe there uh, uh, faculty of performing arts, fine arts, family and community science, social work, for that matter, will have to play a very big role in providing a kind of a platform that student is looking for. Because if I have to say something about, because I'm trying to relate these event with the policy, I think this is the first of an experiment which I was very happy when I received an invitation from Professor Parul sir, that I think it's a very good initiative. And I believe when we are looking at holistic development of our student, I think it is not just academics, it is not just research, it is not just participation in social activities or community outreach. I think let him or her experiment in true sense, live his or her life with the hobby or the passion. I think we are moving towards that kind of an environment. And my best wishes to all of you. Thanks a lot once again for accommodating me. And I think please do not feel disheartened with the technical problems, because it is not a webinar where one has to just speak for 1 hour. I think the performance has to happen, catching that performance live with the kind of a technological support that we have. I would request everybody to encourage this kind of an event, and hope to join you on some other day in between 24th to 28th. Thanks a lot, and my best wishes and greetings to all of you. May God bless
Thank you
you.
very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for making such a thought-provoking speech. And really, you always make us encourage with all the initiatives that we take in the webinars or the seminars or the performances and all. So thank you so very much, sir. Thanks
It's
a
a
lot.
pleasure. It's always a pleasure.
I now invite Dr. Sanskruti Majmudar for the welcome speech. Madam, sorry, we have been keeping you also waiting. And so really very sorry, but please, Madam, on to you.
Yeah, thank you. Actually, you don't have to apologize because I am also part of the host team. So in a way, all of us are responsible for whatever is happening in some or the other way. So respected Professor Parimal Vyas sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor of the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda. We have the video of Shri Pankaj Bhatt ji, Chairman Gujarat Sangeet Natak Academy. Padma Vibhushan Srimati Kumudini Lakhia ji, Padma Vibhushan Dr. Malika Sarabhai ji, Padma Vibhushan Dr. S.T. Desai sir, and Dr. Jigar Inamdar, the Regional Director for Indian Council for Cultural Research, Shri Bijoy Shivam and Professor Parul Shah, and all the members who have joined us for this wonderful program of Sarjan Srushti, Dance Creations of Gujarat. Namaskar and a very good evening to all of you. As we all know that the COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted our lives in many ways, but then we have to learn to adapt to the new normal quickly. And we at the Office of Alumni Affairs and Donor Relations, the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda, believe that the process of learning and communication should go on in spite of all odds, because that is the only way we can keep our bond intact. And then we have the advantage of technology nowadays. So we thought that we can make the best use of whatever techniques and facilities are available to serve this purpose. So we were we very promptly accepted the suggestion which Professor Parul Shah madam actually gave, that let's host this program jointly. And I thought that Office of Alumni Affairs and Donor Relations has always been eager to support every faculty, every department, and every person who was part of the university in all ways, for connecting them back to the university as well as to the broader mass in general. So, on behalf of Office of Alumni Affairs and Donor Relations, as well as the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda and all the co-host for this program, I welcome each one of you who has joined us today for this program and has stayed with us patiently, even when we were actually solving the hurdles behind the scenes. So thank you so much for being patient and waiting with us over here. I'm sure that you are going to enjoy the rest of the program, and this wait will be very fruitful for all of you. So because we are going to witness the expertise of some of the stalwarts in the field of art and dance especially. So I also take this opportunity to thank all the artists for accepting the invitation and joining us for this program. I'm aware that we are running late, so I will not take much of a time. Thank you for giving this opportunity to welcome on behalf of all the team. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sanskruti madam. Thank you so much, Sanskruti madam. I now invite Shri Bijoy Shivram, Vice Principal, JG School of Performing Arts, Ahmedabad, to give a brief idea of the concept of the webinar and then introduce Shri Pankaj Bhatt.
Thank you very much.
And Kumudini ji also. Thank you, Bijoy. Thank you.
I'll surely do that. Thank you very much. I think these are the days of Ganapati, so we need to, in fact, invoke him so that we don't have any of these problems in the next days to come. So Ganapati Bappa Moria.
Moria.
Good evening and namaskar. On behalf of the Alumni Affairs and Donors Relations, MS University, Vadodara, JG College of Performing Arts, Ahmedabad, ICCR Regional Center, Ahmedabad, and the Anjali Memorial Committee, Vadodara, Dr. Parul Shah and I welcome you all to this first ever webinar showcasing creative works of dancers from Gujarat. Gujarat has a tradition of many vibrant folk dances. If you try to trace the roots of the advent of classical dance in Gujarat, it is known that Maharaja Sayajirao Gaikwad III married Princess of Tanjore Lakshmibai, renamed as Maharani Chimnabai after her marriage. As part of her dowry, she brought a troupe of temple dancers and musicians from Tanjore to Vadodara. All of us are aware and also acknowledge the major contributions of Srimati Mrinalini Sarabhai, Srimati Kumudini Lakhiaji, and Srimati Anjali Ben made in bringing classical dances to Gujarat. There has been no looking back, with many other senior gurus and dancers contributing and keeping the artistic torch burning. Gujarat is a home now for most of the classical dance forms, be it Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Kuchipudi, Odissi, Mohiniyattam, and Kathakali. Even Darshanaben Javeri at one time has contributed a lot in bringing Manipuri to Shreyas Foundation on the request of Srimati Leenaben Sarabhai. The next generation is also working as hard as possible to keep this torch burning. Outstanding creations, be it solo or group, are seen. That is why when Parulben approached me with this concept of showcasing creations of dancers from Gujarat, I was happy to join. So thank you, Parul. And yes, this is only the beginning, because when we started talking about this, a lot of people were asking, why only so many dancers, or why only so-and-so, why only so-and-so? So let me reiterate here, this is only the beginning. We plan to keep this going, as there are many more senior dancers and young dancers who are doing good work, and we definitely plan to showcase that. Thank you to all the artists who are participating this time. So please enjoy these 5 days, and once again, welcome to Sarjan Srishti. Shri Pankajbhai Bhatt, chairperson of the Gujarat State Sangeet Natak Academy, is known for his contribution in the field of music. He has been actively working towards the promotion of art forms in Gujarat. His dedication and love for art is commendable. Due to prior commitments, he has been kind enough to send a message for this webinar. So let us now listen to Shri Pankajbhai Bhatt, the chairperson of the Gujarat State Sangeet Natak Academy.
प्रिय संस्कृति गुजरात द्वारा
The audio is coming muffled.
Yes, exactly.
ऑडियो बराबर નથી
I think there's been a technical issue again on the video, but friends, let's go ahead. Dr. S.D. Desai, he's been here with us since early evening. Dr. S.D. Desai, following a stint with the Times of India as performing arts critic for 30 years, for over 20 years now, Dr. S.D. Desai has been writing for period. Ami-Ben, can you come back onto the screen?
Yes, Bijoy.
Can I continue with because there's the video or something, there's a disturbance that's coming through.
Yeah, I think it is because of the network.
So shall I continue with Desai sir's
Yes. You may.
Following a stint with the Times of India as performing arts critic for 30 years, for over 20 years now, Dr. S.D. Desai has been writing for periodicals like Nartaki, Attendance, and Indian Literature. His books include those I would request those who are not on screen to please keep their voice on mute. Thank you. His books include those published by OUP, RUPA, YMCA, Gujarat Sahitya Academy. He has been for many years on the faculty of IGNOU's Creative Writing in English, and for 2 terms been on Doordarshan's Dance Audition panel. He guest edited special issues of Attendance, the Annual, and Natak Gujarati Quarterly. Under Heritage Series, CreativeYatra.com has published 2 videos where he interacts with Malika Sarabhai and Jayashree Lalbai. Sir, we acknowledge your presence here, the long presence here, and welcome you to this webinar. Friends, it is a great honor for me to introduce an artist whom I've always admired all my life. Srimati Kumudini Lakhia is one of Kathak's living luminaries, a legend known for her unparalleled technical expertise and immense artistry, a lifetime dedicated to learning, exploring, teaching, and creating has ensured her an enviable place in the history of dance. At Kadam, an institution established by her in 1964 in Ahmedabad, in her own words, Kathak is the very essence of who we are, how we love, and what we create. We pride ourselves on our history of creating imaginative and spectacular compositions that have been appreciated by audiences across the globe. It was at Kadam that she focused her energies and vision on the development of the technique, vocabulary, and repertoire of the Kathak dance, starting with a small group of students whom she trained in a rigorous routine. She started doing choreography in 1973. Her endeavor was to transform the presentation of Kathak dance with innovative ways of contemporary expressions. Having been conferred with the highest civilian awards and many such, Srimati Kumudini Lakhia ji has served numerous prestigious organizations of dance. Her troupe and herself have traveled extensively all over the world, performing in most prestigious places in the presence of distinguished dignitaries. Srimati Kumudini Lakhia ji has sent a wonderful message for all of us, as she herself could not be present due to a prior commitment. Srimati Kumudini Lakhia ji.
Hello. Someone else is the host now. We don't know, we are not able to get it who is the host now. Only that person will be able to, they have to make Divya, they have to, pardon?
I can see that it is Meera madam. Meera madam.
Meera madam, Meera. Oh, Meera, can you hear me?
Wait.
Meera, તમે host છો, so દિવ્યાને host બનાવવું પડશે તમારે.
Okay.
તો જ video share થશે.
Okay. Just a minute.
No problem. I think this is the learning time. It is done. Meera, it is done. Thank you so very much. Thanks. Yeah, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Kumudini Lakhia ji.
ચાલુ નથી કર્યો મેં હજુ.
Spiritual and emotional content of
Okay, okay.
हाँ अभी कर 5-6 दिन अभी लगा
Spiritual and emotional content of a work of art is the responsibility of the creator, the artist, towards his audience to fulfill their aesthetic needs. The most important thing in any kind of dance is to train your spine. Your spine has to be very And so when we do the footwork, even when we learn the footwork, which is the first thing which we learn, but it's not just everyone walks away. In many of my items, I just start with a walk, or because I want to end on a peaceful this thing. I want the audience to leave them in peace of mind, so that they may then retrospect on what they saw, rather than
Meera madam, you are again the host. Can I request you to make me the host? I have the video now, so I can try to play it from here. Meera madam?
हाँ hello.
I'm Dr. Sanskriti Muzumdar. I have
Okay.
the video. If you can make me the host, I can try it from here.
Yeah, sure. Done.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, madam. Sanskriti madam, we are able to see the video, but I think the audio is not coming.
Is it?
Yeah, the audio is. Bijoy, can you hear the audio? I don't think I
can hear it.
You can hear. We are not. Bijoy, hello.
No,
Vijay?
nothing can be heard. Nothing can be heard. Can I make a suggestion?
Yes.
Because I think this whole thing right from the beginning has been not really going in the right way, and we're not doing justice to all the speakers and the people who have come. I guess if, because we are kind of like, we cannot be having the video jumping like this. Are we able to manage showing these videos? Because after this also you have 2 dance videos. And if the same problem is going to happen, I guess we need to solve these technical issues. And then if all the artists agree, let us push it one day and start from tomorrow again. Because I don't think this way it makes any sense.
Yes, Bijoy, I'll ask Parul Ben. I'll just
please.
Yes,
because
yes. I'm telling her to come to the.
Because
yes.
it's 7 o'clock now.
Yes,
we had
yes,
said
absolutely.
we would start at 5:30, and
yes.
I think we're not doing justice to even supposing Parul Ben's video doesn't play properly, or even after that Meera's video doesn't play. Then
Bijoy.
so I'm sorry, I'm Yeah,
all,
I'm speaking on an open
hi,
forum.
hi, no problem. All the videos have been tested, but these are the happenings of last minute. It's not that they were not tested
Yeah,
or
but
all.
I think, you know what, Parvin,
Huh? Yes.
yeah, but if we, I mean, if the artists, all the artists agree, because what happens if we also, if you're, because you're recording it and keeping it in an archive, so let the whole thing go smoothly. Let us try again. I'm sure if everybody is okay with it, we could push it one day. I mean, let's do it nicely and smoothly.
It's only then
If it is okay.
I suggest that as the opening ceremony is done, and we have got blessings from all the elders and the Vice Chancellor and Pankaj Bhai, Kumi Ben and all. So maybe tomorrow we just start
Yeah, we
with
could,
the performances, and we don't need to extend the dates. If we can accommodate two extras of today, tomorrow and day after. So that should be fine for
yeah,
everyone.
but I guess if we need to do justice, we should show what Kumi Ben was saying, because nothing could
We
be
will
heard.
try. We will
Yeah.
try because even hers is not. It's only 5 minute, less than 5 minute clip. So we
Yeah,
don't
so-
want to. Today we have extended time because of all kinds of things.
No,
But
it's okay. It's not in our hands. These things are.
Ek minute. Tomorrow we will see that everything is worked out, well worked out beforehand, and we don't want to extend time because we don't want people are very time bound. So within these 4 days we will accommodate the two artists, that is me and Meera, within these 4 days. So is that
Correct.
okay? I mean,
That's-
it's okay with me. So Meera, is it okay with you?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, so that let's
Yeah,
let's do it
yeah.
nicely.
Yeah.
I'm sure it'll happen nicely.
So tomorrow, SD sir, tomorrow you will have to be with us. I'm
For
so
a little
sorry.
more time.
I'm so sorry, but you will have to be with us tomorrow, and you'll be kindly extend. I mean, kindly pardon us and be with us tomorrow. Is that okay with you?
So your voice is on mute.
No, I can hear his lip, so no problem. He's saying yes. With dancers, you can
He's
say
saying
yes.
something. He's saying something.
Huh?
Unmute karo sir. Unmute karjo.
But it is okay, sir. You can see yes for tomorrow. Yes for tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Meera. And so Sanskriti madam, I think we all rest today. And I am absolutely apologetic to all viewers who are there, who are perhaps eagerly waiting to see things. And we are also very keen on sharing. But sometimes it happens that suddenly the rain goes heavily and the traffic is jammed and the performance gets late, and sometimes it has to be postponed. So cancelled. But we are lucky that we have to just postpone for a day. Thank you very much. Good night. Namaste.
I have been unmuted, so my pleasure to say yes tomorrow.
Thank you.
Yes, tomorrow. Namaste.
Yeah, let's
Namaste.
let's all
Tomorrow,
pray to
tomorrow,
say that
5
there is no
o'clock.
obstacles
See,
tomorrow.
this is dance and this is choreography. Every second something new happens and you need to take it around and work around it and create a piece. So again, be with us tomorrow, 5 o'clock, same place, same time. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Namaste.
Good night.
સંસ્કૃતિ મેમ મને હોસ્ટ કરો તો હું લાઈવ બંધ કરી કરું.
હા.